Hi, my name is SimplyPops, and today we're going to be unboxing the Yeezys 350 V2s Triple White Cream by Kanye West. Now, I always wanted to get a pair of Yeezys, and I was very excited for this one. It was actually delayed yesterday, and it's finally here today, nice and early too. And yeah, as you guys look at it closely, very closely, it says do not open with sharp instrument. I'm using a wide angle lens because this box is actually pretty big. I'm almost taking the entire size of the desk here, but yeah, so I'm actually gonna just peel off the tape here, and man, I am just excited for this. Shout out to the homie Kanye for making enough Yeezys for everybody, and you know what I mean, he's killing off all the scalpers and the resellers out there on eBay. Those days may be done though, so let's peel this off. I got these on the Adidas website, so you guys could pick it up. Link will be down in the description. It's actually sold out on the Adidas site, but it is available on the YeezySupply.com. So, yeah. Ooh. The smell of cardboard. Oh man, you know what I noticed? These are some white sneakers, and the cloth on the table is white, so hopefully it's not too hard to see. Let's flip these around. Shout out to Drake, man. Drake is dissing Kanye. I don't want no. And oh yeah, shout out to Drake. Drake is dissing Kanye on French Montana's new song, No Stylist or something like that. Drake was saying, I don't want her to wear no 350s around me, something like that. So listen to the song. It's pretty dope though. I mean, it's a dope song, but I'm still excited for these Yeezys though. And taking a look at the side here, as you guys can see, I wear a size 8.5. With Yeezys, you're gonna have to go a size, just a half a size up, because I think Yeezys run small, but I never wore Yeezys before. And really looking at it closely, you guys can easily see the specifications, the barcode. All right, Adidas / Kanye. I'm a big Kanye fan, man. That new Kanye album, matter of fact, yo, that new Kanye album dropping tomorrow. Yo, this is a perfect time to get some Yeezys. And on the side here, made by Adidas, adidas.com/Kanye. Yeezy Boost 350. And this is not no ordinary sneaker box. It actually slides. Alright? Well, I thought it was sliding. Do it slide? I never seen any Yeezy unboxing, so everything is new to me. These are my first pair of Yeezys. Yeah, oh yeah, so they slide. Okay. Oh, yes, sir. All right, let's let this down the side here. I don't know. I guess we can leave it here so you guys can see that 350 right there. Kanye album dropping tomorrow. Got a new pair of Yeezys. Life is good, man. All right, so let's take it out let's take it out the wrapper. Dramatic effect. Woo! Oh, ooh, okay. Yes, sir. It feels fresh in the hands. And man, if I step outside, game over. I don't even want to go outside with these. And looking at the bottom here, you guys can see some of that material, like from the bottom here, it makes your foot breathe a little bit better. I'm just assuming. We have the gummy, kind of gummy on the bottom, like you guys can see in the light, kind of off-white. But overall, these are fresh, these are clean, these are the Yeezys. And you know, one thing with Yeezys, you really don't even need no laces because it's kind of like a sock shoe, basically. So you have some tags here. So if you buying these over eBay, pay attention to the details. I'm helping you guys out too in a sense. But those days, I would say those days are over. Okay, we have a little bit of that. Inside, you have Adidas, Yeezys. Okay. They look kind of big, but I'm going to have to see how they going to fit. Of course, we're going to take a look at the other foot. Okay, same exact thing, same exact everything. I'm waiting for these in black. I want the Pirates, man. The Pirates, oh my God. I'm waiting for the Pirates, man. Because the thing with these, I would have to be going somewhere really fancy if I'm going to wear my white Yeezys. You know what I mean? Size 8.5. And same exact thing. So let's try these on and let's see how they feel, and I'll give you guys my review, my first impressions, I should really say. But just off of the style, it just looks good. I mean, it looks very, very special. I mean, it looked like Yeezys. I mean, if you're a sneakerhead, you know how Yeezys look like. And just as a designer wise, it looks very, very similar to the Rochers from Nike. And originally, I thought the Yeezys looked very, very similar to the Rochers here. I like to wear white sneakers in summertime. I just feel like it just makes sense. Enough of that. Let's just try these on. So guys, there you have it. These are the Yeezy Boost 350 triple white, cream white, and I gotta say I love these sneakers. I mean, they're comfortable, they look great. If you throw this on with a plain white t-shirt and just throw on some blue jeans and throw these on, not only you look classy, you look fly at the same time. You know, it's not too complex with the outfit, but you're keeping it simple, but it's still clean at the same time. And really, as I'm thinking about it, these are like my first white sneakers, my all white sneakers. I hadn't had an all white sneakers since 5th grade, probably even 4th grade. And those are the Nike Air Force Ones. So it's good to be back with all white sneakers. And don't get it twisted, I have some white sneakers, but they have like some kind of accent to it. Oh, and this is a perfect comparison. Like this is white, this is totally white, and you can see the cream. You get what I'm saying on the Yeezys. But this right here, I'm going to compare these to the Yeezys, and I'm also going to compare the Yeezys versus the Huarache, so stay tuned for that. I just want to live with the Yeezys a little bit more before I actually just jump the gun and just compare the Yeezys versus the Huaraches. And that's going to be a really, really good comparison. These are very, very comfortable. These are basically like a sock sneaker, so you really don't even need the laces. And I was trying to fumble around with the Yeezy laces, but these Yeezy laces are totally different. Because I hate tying my sneakers. I like to just throw my sneakers on and that's it. And that's how it is with all my sneakers. I just keep them loose and just to the point where I don't even have to tie them. That's just my style though. That's my swag. But obviously the main con of these sneakers is just the fact how they all white. So anything you do, it's a chance that these might get messed up. As soon as you step outside, I would say that's it. It's not gonna look like this ever again. Now they have some products on Amazon where you can protect these sneakers, or just any white sneaker. Like you could just spray, and then anything you spill on your sneaker it'll like roll off or something like that. But maybe I might invest in something like that because I really do want to keep my Yeezys clean. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up and a subscription. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. Some videos or some articles are saying like you could still see some text if you look at it closely, but I can't see it. It's like you can see it a little bit. Comment down below what you guys think about the Yeezy Boost.
Yeah, keeping it G. I told her don't win no 350s around me.
I'm still a big Drake fan, and I love Kanye too. So, to me, in my opinion, I like sneakers. I like these Yeezys, and I like Drake, and I like Kanye. I mean, before y'all kill me in the comments.